Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and opening the Photos app so you can act immediately. Make sure iOS is updated and photo syncing is enabled. This removes permission hurdles. Once done, back up your library, iCloud or local, so you can revert if needed. Next, pick one album or image to try the feature. That focused start reduces mistakes. You'll see the new toolbar icon. Tap it to begin the transformation process and follow on-screen prompts. You now move into the complex middle, selecting the mode and fine-tuning controls. Pick Enhance, Remove, or Recompose, then preview changes with a single tap. This saves trial and error. Make micro-adjustments using sliders for intensity, color warmth, and crop. Those nuances control the final look. Once comfortable, try batch processing. Select multiple photos and apply consistent settings, but keep an eye on CPU and battery. If performance lags, pause batch work and let the device finish background tasks. You complete the workflow by saving and sharing with confidence. Choose whether to export edits as a new file or overwrite the original, and confirm file format and metadata to match your needs. Then share via AirDrop, Messages, or Cloud Upload. Pick Hike for space savings or JPEG for compatibility. If something goes wrong, try a quick restart of Photos, clear temporary cache, or restore the original from your backup. That single troubleshooting step resolves most edit artifacts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.